Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here. Today's video is very special for me. So we moved to a new place a couple months ago and some of our walls are still pretty empty. So today I'm gonna create the artwork for our living room that's gonna be above our couch, and it's gonna be very special because this pour I'm gonna be creating with my husband. So there he is! Everyone meet, this is my husband Alex. Alex, this is the most creative community on YouTube. Let's crush it today.
Let's crush it.
So before we get started, I really hope you're noticing these designs that we're wearing. This is a brand new design in Smart Art Materials store. In case you're not familiar with it, now we're offering unique designs like t-shirts, hoodies, and there are a couple other models that are designed by me, especially for you, for fluid artists, for everyone who is just as addicted to acrylic pouring as I am. So this one is art in progress with beautiful colors flowing out right on the imaginary canvas somewhere here. So anyways, I think design turned out really amazing. I'm super satisfied with it. I've been wearing it like almost all the time. I really like it. It's available in many different colors. So check it out in the description, check out other designs and let me know how you like them. Okay, done with advertising and now let's do some art. So, shall we put our aprons on?
Yeah.
Magic, right? Okay, Alex, so what are we doing today? It was your choice.
So today we'll be doing pen kiss technique, which is my absolute favorite technique.
Aww.
And we're gonna add few little elements of Dutch pour and a swipe.
It sounds fun. It's gonna be a very interesting composition. So I have already mixed all the colors. I kind of tried to match colors that we have in our interior, so there's a lot going on. If you guys wanna read the details about what colors we're using and how I mixed them, I'm gonna include everything in the description. And yeah, let's put our gloves on and get started. You're getting a fresh pair as an honorable guest of my studio. I'm reusing the old one.
It's my first time.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's gonna be good.
Hopefully not the last one. Okay. So we're working on a really huge canvas. It's 24 by 36. I actually think this is the biggest canvas I've ever worked on. So that's very exciting. Before we apply the base coat, let's do the colors because we're gonna do pinkies. We're gonna do each one a cup. So here I have 2 cups. You're gonna do a warm side, like with the red and gold and all those colors. I'm gonna do blue side.
Sounds good.
Sounds good? I'm so excited about today's experiment, today's creation. I think it's gonna be really awesome despite of the results. Our first pour together. Isn't it romantic? So this is your cup. Add colors in any order you want, any amounts you want. You don't need to make it super full, but bring it like almost till this last line. Just don't make it overly full. Feel free to improvise, feel free to work with colors you like. And I'm gonna do my side. Oh, look how you pour from the side. Good work. It's perfect layering. Nicely done.
I watched hundreds of your videos.
I only have just over 100, so you could have watched hundreds. Whose videos are you watching? Oh no, okay, this is a great start. This is not how you're supposed to do it. This is how you're not supposed to do it, actually. But this is what happens all the time. Welcome to acrylic pouring. Get ready to knock cups and do all kinds of fun. Little bit of white, little bit of this, little bit of that.
Yeah.
Alright, our cups are done. Now let's apply negative space, which is gonna be our base coat, and this color is actually a very unusual color. It's not just regular boring white or black. I mixed several colors to get this very soft blue. I think it will look beautiful. We're gonna take the scrapers and I'm gonna just move this paint around. We need to cover the whole canvas, including the sides, and we can add more paint as we go if we feel like we need it. This looks beautiful. Look at this heart. Oh. Okay, fun part. Paint kiss. So you're gonna hold one cup. I'm gonna hold the other one.
There's bubbles.
Oh, look at you. Good call. We need to do some torching before we do the paint kiss. So here's a torch. There you go. So slightly torch the whole surface. Don't cook the paint. Try to keep it almost parallel to the surface and move like quickly just to pop those air bubbles. And always away from yourself.
Quick.
Perfect. So question, do you want to pour with your right hand or with your left hand?
With the right hand.
Of course. Okay, then you're gonna do blue cup, and I'm gonna do your cup, the magenta red cup. We're gonna pour we're gonna probably aim at the center.
Mm-hmm.
And two streams from both cups gonna have to connect and move together to the canvas. We're gonna do it very slowly and pretty close to the surface, because if we move it up high, we're not gonna get rings. So we need to keep it pretty low to the surface. And kiss. Oh, perfect. Nicely done. Good work. Okay, so you see we have a lot of air bubbles, so we need to torch this again. I actually think this looks really beautiful. Now we're gonna do some tilting. Do you want to tilt or do you want me to do it?
Of course you tilt.
I tilt?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's get this moving. It's so hard to work on such a big canvas. Wow, it's so heavy. Maybe you should be doing it. Should do the hard work. Wow, I really like the center. It's beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna try and do a little bit of Dutch pour, so make it a Dutch kiss. Hi, Rinska. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the first one. Maybe you'll do the next one, okay? Maybe.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's try.
Looks pretty cool.
My girl. That's beautiful.
Thank you. It's not it.
Oh, that's it.
I don't like this side. So I want to blow this side too. Do you want to try doing it?
I like it.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
It's actually
look at this lacing.
worked
It's
out
very nice.
really good.
So when working on large canvas, I feel like it really helps to step up and look from above to see if you like it. Center is just awesome. Just watch out for your apron. So what do you think?
I love it. It's really deep and contrasty, but at the same time, very soft edges. I enjoy just looking at it.
I really like the connection between, like the connection that Painkiss creates between different sides. It's sort of like our own version of yin and yang, like how these lighter colors and warm
absolutely.
colors connect with the blues. And this flow here, it kind of creates a feeling of space for some reason for me. Although it's not a dark, it's not galaxy style artwork, it kind of still have a galactic feel coming from it. I really like it. I really hope it dries amazing and we're gonna pour it on our wall. Do you guys want to see it on the wall once it's done? Let us know in the comment. I'm also happy about it. I think those colors are just fabulous together. I was saying, very impressed with your work. Your first pour, how you did the side, all those delicate embellishments. You did really amazing. I'm very proud of you. Good work.
Thank you, babe.
Good work.
I thought it doesn't look that good, but
I love it. I really, really like it. Especially like all these parts. It's very delicate and very soft, but at the same time, like it's very energetic. Like this is actually how I like it. It's
Thank
really
you.
awesome. You did amazing work. I'm so proud. I'm so happy how our first pour together worked out.
It's all this short.
Oh, the short.
That's
art
what
in
gives me
progress.
power.
Guys,
Art in progress.
check out the link.
Check it out.
Nicely done. Very smooth. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching us together, creating together today. Let us know how you like this big blue and colorful beauty. Thank you for joining. Have an awesome day and happy pouring. See you in the next video. Bye
Bye bye.